What is up, you guys? It's Corey here again. I just want to take you through, give you a quick little update what's going on with Infinity Processing System. They have now crossed over 19,000 members strong with this opportunity. And it's not just an opportunity, but it's a platform in the e-learning space that teaches you attraction marketing. So that way you attract the perfect client to you, customer to you, over and over and over again without bothering friends, without asking parents, without trying to get your neighbor to join the opportunity that you have, but you can attract that perfect client to you. What this is direct sales, member to member sales. They actually give you 3 ways to be able to get paid directly. A lot of people use PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, Venmos. Me personally, I like Cash App just on the strength that it's direct payments and you never really get any problems with being shut out or having your money held back from you, as you have a lot of problems with that with PayPal. But with this opportunity, it also give you a branded web page so people can build like, know, and trust with you. They teach you fundamentals. They give you the skills to be able to go into social media and start a profitable online business. I'm going to switch you over to the proof group so you can see how many members is having great success with the Infinity Processing System. Here's Peter Berry says, boom, this yet another $600 payment with this system program. Gotta love it. Once you get master a traffic strategy, you can have commissions coming in like clockwork. But if you don't take action and get started, then nothing will happen for you. So don't sit on the side. Awesome testimony, Peter. Good, congratulations up to you. We come down. We're Lori Beth. Please help me welcome my main Norcom. I could be saying that wrong. But she got started at the super affiliate package. So that's a $600 program. I didn't upgrade to the super affiliate package. At the time, I wasn't promoting this as a cash flow opportunity, but using the system to learn how to market and brand myself through social media. So I was using the training to be able to learn how to brand myself and market through social media. So if you want to get started with this, I'll have a link in the bottom of the description. It offers 3 product package, the $50 startup, the $150 influencer, and the $300 pro. I'll go over those packages in just a moment. Right here, this is one of the strategies to bring people to the proof group so they can see how many other people are earning. Right here, Ashley Don says, please help me welcome Lemmy and Oli to the group. They're here to take a look around. So people, you invite them to the group and look around. And right here, Maria says, woohoo, we are 19,000 strong. They'll give them a chance to look around. Here's Adriana. She's the one who put the program together, and she's a 6-figure earner, and she does a lot of coaching and she's very in touch with the people inside of the group. She's always giving members tips and showing doing live coaching sessions, so that way you'll be able to go out there and hit the ground running, and it'll make it that much more easier for you to start building up that like, know, and trust factor, and you too can start bringing in those commissions of 50, 150, 300, and now they have a 4th program, which is the super affiliate, which is a 600 packet. So as you can see, a lot of people are using the strategy. to bring into the proof group. They teach you that in back office of Infinity Processing System. I'll take you right over there right now. Again, here's another member welcoming somebody to the group so they can have a look around and see all the awesome testimonials. Here's Adriana again, letting everybody know how they can do more different techniques with attraction marketing. So over in the members area, in the back office, when you get started, you're gonna watch this little video. Welcome to the team. Please proceed to pay the one-time $39 admin fee to unlock training. What this fee is, it gives you resellers rights. So that way you'll be able to resell this program and make that 100% commissions to you, directly to you, however you want to get paid, through Cash App, Stripe, Venmos, PayPal. PayPal is like kind of the thing right now with this program, because she do teach you how to make a payment button through PayPal, so that way you can start earning those 100% direct commissions. And what they do is, with this training in here, learn how to create a automated sales funnel, so everything is automated. So when you're busy enjoying life with the kids and the family, this is running 24/7 for you in the background, gathering leads and helping you earn those 100% commissions on autopilot. How to get more sales faster with paid traffic. There's different methods. A lot of people like to use paid traffic, which is solo ads. A lot of people like to do free method like this here on YouTube. This is a free traffic source. Going to Facebook is a free traffic source. Going on TikTok is a free traffic source. Or you can do paid traffic source. And with paid traffic source, it's just going to take a lot more money to see results in a faster, smaller time. But with attraction marketing, you're going to be able to attract that perfect client to you over and over and over. How to get your list fast. What I do like about the training is what to say when someone asks information about your business, because a lot of companies don't teach you how to promote their offer or how to let people know what it is that they're buying or getting into. So to be able to know what to say, to have come with a 6-figure closing script, what to do when somebody join and pay you, so you know how to operate your business and set it up to where somebody join you, they automatically get their their product that they joined that. And the training in this back office is so detailed, and I love it. I go through it daily. And when you sign up, the thing with this is they're going to give you 200 pre-written ads. This back office is the $300 pro back office, so I have 200 pre-written ads and 60 bonus images to help you place inside of social media so that you attract the perfect customer to you. You're not doing so much selling and telling. And they will tell you, they give you exactly where to set these pre-written ads and bonuses, and with the different type of Facebook groups who are looking for this type of opportunity. The 7-day action plan for success. It's the 7-day action plan for success. I think this is a beautiful idea. When it comes to marketing, they give you how and what to do for 7 days to be able to make better progress in your sales when it comes to attraction marketing and online marketing. Now, as of this year, she has updated a lot of the training. So with the Facebook Mastery Pro, Marketing Pro, you're going to get video marketing strategies in 100 Facebook groups so that you can post these pre-written ads and 60 bonus images So it's attracting that perfect client to you through those Facebook groups. Again, this is an awesome opportunity. It's newbie friendly. You can get started with me. I have the link down the bottom below if you want to take a look at this opportunity. And what they're going to give you too is a branded website. I want to go over the branded website with you in just a second. The YouTube automation is golden. I've been using it to learn how to set up my YouTube and how to do my presentations when it comes to YouTube. Golden training. So if you want to be on YouTube, this is a place to come to get your training. TikTok marketing, Instagram marketing, Craigslist marketing. Automate your business with a 6-figure system. You're going to get extra bonus with the hotel and restaurant discount vouchers to be able to give away as a lead magnet. This system rocks. If you want to learn how to attract the perfect customer to you, I would highly recommend the Affinity Processing System. I highly recommend that you come in at the $300 product packet, and that's not just to be able to say, hey, grab the highest package you can. You want to start with the $300 product packet, so that way you'll be able to earn commissions all the way across the board. You'll be able to earn on all levels, $50, $150, and $300 when you start at the pro level. And you're going to get extra training. You're going to get a 30-day email follow-up to close sales on autopilot for you. So if you're not tech savvy, you don't know how to set up an email campaign, they got that covered for you in the back office. So if you start at the $50 level, you pay your admin fee, you get your website that looks just like this set up for you, you'll be able to earn that $50 commission. If you start at the elite level, pay your admin fee, you're going to be able to earn the $150 commission and the $50 commission. If you come in at the pro level, you're going to be able to earn all the way across the board on 3 products. You own them. They're yours. They're yours with reseller rights. So that gives you the right to be able to resell this program over and over and over. So here's how it works. You're going to get started, join one of the levels to get access to your product. We're going to give you step-by-step digital training. We show you exactly where and how to start posting ads on social media to drive tons of traffic to your offer. You start collecting those 100% daily commissions straight to your account, how you want to get paid. And again, here you have the Stripe account and PayPal. The PayPal, I'm going to be taking that off because they give a lot of problems and it has a lot of issues with PayPal. But I'm going to be taking the PayPal off and adding the Cash App link. So again, you'll get a branded sales website just like this once you pay the $39 admin fee and get your website all set up. It's usually back. They say give 24 hours, but it's usually back within 14 hours or so. When you click the link and you get started, stop right here. Please watch this little video about the Affinity Processing System and how it works. Again, I'm going to get on up out of here. So if you want to learn that $300 a day blueprint and have just as much success as people are having with this system, the link is in the bottom of the description. If you want to contact me and communicate with me, I have my Facebook description in the link below. To your success, I'm going to get out of here. Hey, you get out of here too. Go have some fun. I'll see you guys on the next one.